Hello everyone. Welcome to the opening ceremony of the brand new fitness company by NG Group of Companies. I am Hayden, I am your host for today. Firstly, before starting off, I would like to thank everyone for coming here today and joining us at JW Marriott San Antonio. Next, I would like to thank our chief guest Harish for coming here today. For those of you who do not know Harish, he is the founder and CEO of HG Group of Companies. He is a philanthropist. He loves exploring the world. Next, I would like to thank Nihar for making this happen today. Nihar is the CEO, Chairman, Founder, Managing Director of NG Group of Companies. And last, I would like to thank all the sponsors of the event: Nike, Puma, Everfit, and Hinge Health. Now moving on, we have a short video of NG Group of Companies.
NG Group of Companies. Over 20,000 plus users across India. Is now expanding globally to United States, Australia and United Kingdom. And has educated more than 100,000 people free of cost. This is all happening under one man's vision. Nihar, the founder, chairman, CEO of NG Group of Companies, and is hoping to take NG Group of Companies to great heights.
So now starting off, we are going to reveal the new CEO of the fitness company. I call upon stage Harish. So the contenders for the CEO are Rajiv, Prasad, Ritesh. Harish, the mic is yours. Please reveal to us the CEO of the fitness company.
Thank you, Hayden. The CEO of the fitness company is... Any guesses? It is going to be Rajiv. Congrats, Rajiv, the world is yours.
Thank you, Harish. And congrats, Rajiv. Now I would like Nihar to join the stage to launch the name and the logo. In the count of 3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the name is going to be Athletica. Thank you, Nihar and Harish. And now I request both of you to stay back on stage to launch the jersey of Athletica. Thanks. Now I request Harish to stay back and motivate us with a few words.
Hello everyone. Hope everyone is doing fine. I would like to thank Nihar for inviting me to this event. And then would like to thank Nihar's parents for coming and supporting Nihar. Now talking about NG Group of Companies, for me it feels like a brand which has reached great heights already because of the hard work Nihar puts into this. Now talking about Nihar. Nihar is a person who thinks inside and outside the box, and is a perfect example for his teammates. Nihar is one of my best friends. He leads from an example to his teammates. I knew Nihar from 5 years. He started all this 3 years back. You won't believe me, he started this single-handedly. Too many people working under him, which I will not number. So I want to conclude my speech by saying all the best Nihar and all the best NG Group of Companies. Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you, Harish. Now I would like Nihar to speak a few words.
Hello everyone. Good evening from JW Marriott San Antonio. Hope everyone is good. So firstly, I would like to thank our chief guest Harshal for coming here today and giving us some blessing. And next, I would like to thank all the audiences for coming here today. and blessing us, and the media. Thank you for coming here. So now talking about Athletica. Athletica is a fitness company, a sports company under NG group of companies. So I always wanted to start my own fitness company. So NG group of companies has gone into everything except fitness. So my main aim was to go into fitness. But I felt that I could not lead this thing. I wanted someone else to lead this. So I found out the right person to lead this and do the job. Mr. Rajiv. He's not here today, but shortly we're going to have a press meet with the media, so he'll be there that time. I felt that he could take this into great heights, and Rajiv is a fitness based person, so he's going to do the job. I felt that. So he was appointed as the CEO of Athletica, and I hope Rajiv takes this to great heights. And I don't want to talk much, so I want to conclude my speech by saying thank you, and I hope everyone enjoys the dinner. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Nihar. So we have come to the end of the event. I hope everyone enjoys the dinner. And I would again thank everyone for coming to the event. Thank you, Hayden, signing off.